Hi everyone, my name is Wei Jie. I'm co-founder of Foreword Coffee, and today we're at Yongsu-To Conservatory of Music, where Foreword Coffee is. So today we are doing this NUS Giving a Day S series, and we'll be answering some questions from this flower pot. Okay, so the first question is, what inspired the name of Foreword Coffee? Described in 3 words. I would say it's more about progress, inclusion, and having a diverse team. So we want to keep moving forward to make progress. Alright, this question is, what is your favorite and least favorite part of this business? Okay, next question. If you were a customer in your own cafe, what would you order from the menu? I will order our signature drink, Timeless Yuan Yang. It actually has an Earl Grey ice ball inside, and it mixes both coffee and tea. So both of us like the same drink. How do you feel for making the first coffee order? For me, it'll be back in NUS in 2018. I've been doing it for friends actually, but for the first time with like a customer, I think it's quite exciting. So I guess that was more anxiety also back then. Okay, I'll take one question. What is your typical day like? I don't have a typical day. Every day changes according to what is needed from me, either going to the cafe to see the staff or just stay in the office to finish my email. Oh, if you could have a superpower, what power would you have and why? If you could choose one song to play every time you walk into a room for the rest of your life, what song would you choose and why? I do listen to JJ Lin's songs, so I guess any of his songs, I will like it. But to have just one song, very boring lah. If you were a coffee seed, what kind of seed would you be and why? So I feel that I will be a Robusta coffee. Robusta can survive in harsh climate. They tend to be more bitter in taste. I feel I'm that kind of person when I at the cafe trying to do training for my staff, trying to maintain discipline, and trying to be there to support the team. So I feel that I need to be strong in the work, and that's why I will choose the Robusta coffee bean. How about you, Lina? Once again, I'm Wei Jie and this is Lina, and thank you for being part of our A Day S series. Foreword Coffee is a social enterprise. We train and hire people with disabilities and special needs to work at our cafes. So we are thankful for NUS for this opportunity and also the support over the years. So as we continue to contribute to society, we hope that you also continue to support NUS Giving. Thank you.